What's going on, guys? I welcome you to my channel, Loze Graphics and Multimedia. I'm 100% sure that the most reason why you click on this video is that you want to see how you can easily fund your Facebook ad account using your Naira MasterCard, most especially if you are a Nigerian. This video is going to walk you through step by step on how you can actually fund your Facebook ads account without any stress using your Naira MasterCard or Visa card or even your Naira Fafu card. You can still fund your Facebook ad account successfully. So without being said, so let's get started and see how you can successfully fund your Facebook ad account using your Visa or MasterCard or Fafu Naira MasterCard. So let's get started right from your phone. Okay. So first things first is to make sure you download and install this particular app right here. Meta has. So when you download the app, then it's load up. Let's see. When you download it for the first time, you will be asked to log in with your username and password. Just log in. Once you log in, it takes you to your Facebook ads interface. So now for you to fund your Facebook ad account with your Master or Visa, Naira or Fafu card, all you have to do is to make sure you follow me as I'm taking you step by step. So first thing first is to click on here where you see this setting icon. So you click on that, and it takes you to another page. Then from here you have to click on payment right here. Okay, you click on payment. Then when you click on payment, it takes you right here. So the next step you have to take right here is to click on add fund. Just click on add funds. Okay, so you click on add funds. So when you click on add funds, it takes you right here. So you can tap on here and type in the amount of money you want to fund the account with. So I'm funding this account with just 2,000 Naira. For this particular method, there is no limit of amount you can fund your ad account, provided that this is going to charge in Naira. You can fund your ad account with 100,000, 200,000, or whatsoever amount of your choice is going to be funded successfully. So when you type in your figure at this point here, you type in your figure, you have to make sure you select this pay you, whether if you are using a Naira card. So select on pay you and click on add funds. Then immediately you click on add funds, it takes you to another page whereby you guys can click on continue right here. Right here you click on continue. Then it takes you right here, so you can see from the option right here, you can either pay with Visa card, MasterCard or Fafu card. You are good to go. All you have to do is to make sure you fill in your detail right here, fill in your card number, card holder name, month, and the expire year of the card. Okay, these are the stuff you need to enter on the card and click on payment straight up. So I'm going to enter my card information, starting from card holder name right here. I'm going to enter my card holder name, then card number. Okay, so I'm going to off this camera while I enter the card detail. So you just have to follow the step right here. Then when you are done entering your necessary information, you have to click on pay this amount of money. Okay, so you enter your CCV fee, that is the 3-digit number at the back of your card. That's what they are asking you for at that point. So finally here you have to click on continue to pay. So click on that. And it takes you right here, and it's going to load to authorize your payment straight up. All right, so right here you need to authorize your payment. So I'm using my GT Naira card to perform this transaction. So they're going to send a code to my mail that I use to register on this particular so here is the code 09591 09591. Let me reconfirm. 09591. That is it. So once you enter it, you have to click on confirm. Okay, you click on confirm. Boom. So you can see your payment has been done successfully. So we can easily exit from here and go back to our hard account. By the time you come back to your hard account and you refresh, so you are going to see the fund right here. So let me just refresh. So you can see the fund has been credited into our hard account successfully. So this is how you fund your Facebook hard account using your, sorry for the interruption, using your Naira MasterCard step by step. So in the next class is going to be what are the stuff you can do with your Facebook hard app on your mobile phone. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.